Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to turn on and off camera AI in your this Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your camera, click on this camera and click on this more button, and you will see here it is. You have to check if it is there AI option. So friends, there it is, not any camera AIs, there is a simple photo mode. So you can check it in this also if it is there, and here it is camera AI. From here you can enable and disable it like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.